life.
Tell him, Dolly.
Yes, this guy is crazy.
Fuck off.
Fuck off, you too. When I come to work this house, I was a nice person.
But
I was behaved.
Why are you screaming? Because now you don't need
But
to scream.
since I met you, my life is crumbled. Like I don't even understand. You are a girl's person. Don't you know it? Remember when you told me? Did you? It's like you easy to fuck out. What did you say?
TikTok, but don't tell her what's a mood or one of us at time. What's a mood? Accuse
No. Hey, I'm a devil's person. Now, a devil person. You are a devil person. As much as I'm a devil person, we are both in there. Because we are going like this. This guy, he's teaching me so many things. He even asked me where is the Anderson Street. This guy. I'm not. I'm talking to you. Listen to me. I'm going to my room now, bro. See you on Wednesday morning, my friend. Love you, ne?
Bye.
Love you too. Love you too. Love you too, my friend. Hi. Bye, Maki.
Monkey?